guys, my name is Jay and welcome back to my channel. It's home cooking time again, and for today's video, I will going to show you my version of the creamy chicken pesto pasta. So for today's menu, we'll be needing the following ingredients: olive oil, this one is garlic, mozzarella cheese, chicken breast, mushroom, broccoli, pesto sauce, salt and pepper, water, all-purpose cream, and the penne pasta. So without further ado, let's start cooking. The pan is hot. We'll just pour in the oil. Now we will put the garlic. This is just easy. This is so easy. After the garlic, we can put in the chicken. I use chicken breast because it cooks faster and it's leaner and it has more meat. And it's best for it's moving. And it is best for pasta. So from here we can season the chicken. We can add the pepper, and some salt. So the taste will stay on the chicken. So there. What's good with home cooking, you can always estimate the amount of ingredients that you are going to use. It's always up to you. Now we can put in our mushroom. I use button mushroom because I love mushroom on pasta. There. Now we can add our broccoli. Broccoli is also so quick to cook. Then we're going to add some water. And bring this to a boil. Ta-da! Now it's okay. So we can add in our cream, this all-purpose cream. So it's creamy. We can now add our cheese for additional creaminess. Just let the cheese melt. Now we can add our pesto. Maybe 3 of this. 3 teaspoons. So we'll just wait for the cream to be thick. Then we're going to add our pasta. So let's check. Yes. Going to add our penne pasta. Carefully. The sauce is hot. Okay. I'll just mix this in. Give a few minutes to mix in the sauce. Just give some time for the pasta to absorb the cream, and we're good to go. Just cover this, then I put it on a plate, and then we're going to taste this creamy chicken pesto pasta. So now it's food tasting time, so we're going to taste our creamy chicken pesto pasta. I also have here some Milano bread. Milano bread has some other spices inside. I'm not sure if you can see it. This one. This is Milano bread. And this is my finished product. I also have here some lemon to cut out to even out the creaminess. So let's start eating. This is my lunch, so basically it's already 3 p.m. and I haven't had my breakfast. My tummy is complaining already. Look at the creaminess, it's still hot. Oh my gee. So for the first time, this is not a spicy one. Let's just squeeze some lemon. Not sure. Give it a mix. It's hot. I want to get the chicken, the pasta, the broccoli. It's still hot. This is the first bite. The broccoli is still crunchy. And the chicken is tender. Yum. Some mushroom. So how was your weekend? I'm a bit tired because I'm editing 2 videos. And I can't find time because I'm busy with some other things. Hopefully next week we'll have another series of home cooking. No. Neighbors. This plate is so big. Look, it looks small on the screen, but it's big. This bread is so good also. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. See you on my next cheat day. Bye, cheaters!